Quartzsite now. The big, famous nomad town, hometown or winter town of Bob Wells and so many other RVers and YouTubers. We don't really know much about it. We know there's like LTVAs, which have a cost a fee, and we're not gonna stay there for like 14 days. We don't know how long we'll stay there, so we probably don't want to pay anything to be in those spots. So I don't know.
Home is where you park it.
I did that.
Don't tread on me.
Great flags here.
Don't tread on me, 'cause I am your brother. I was born with an American heart.
Oh, there's the Canadian-American flag. That's nice. Our activities so far today. We just wanted to go somewhere with a little bit good internet, and that was kind of a struggle. Library's closed. It's Black Friday. It's closed the whole weekend. They shut off their Wi-Fi. The best Wi-Fi in town is McDonald's and Pilot, like a gas station next to McDonald's. Wi-Fi there kind of sucked, so we were in there for a little too long, and I don't know, we still couldn't really get everything that we wanted. Now we're gonna try to get some ice cream and then check out more of the free places. We're still a little bit on the fence if we should pay the $40 for a week.
2 weeks.
Well, we're not gonna stay 2 weeks probably, or we don't know. We don't know. We haven't met anyone yet. We were kind of hoping to, I don't know, just meet people here because that's what people come here for mostly, kind of. And now we're trying to find parking at this ice cream place. I don't really know what's going on here. There's so many cars and yeah, so I don't really know. Like, just do it for now. It's all a little confusing how things work and what's good and what's not, and but yeah, basically to have any campsite that has a toilet nearby, you have to pay. We didn't check out everything yet.
We haven't seen very much.
We haven't seen very much. But yeah, so far it's a bit of a struggle. And tonight we are planning to go into the paid area. I think we can just go there for the day. I don't know, we'll see, because there's like a campfire and some social stuff. We are back in the van. Ice cream was okay, not great. And then we scoped out some campsites and found this one, which is nowhere on the map. We just found it. Wild. It's kind of like on the side of a side street and BLM land, so it should be fine. A 5-minute walk to the park where there's bathrooms, so that's a win.
Saw a big ass tarantula.
Big ass tarantula.
Like,
yeah, not joking. Me for scale. Jesus. Like right there. Close to camp. We wanted to check out the LTVA, and we did. We thought that there's like a meetup today, but that meetup happened yesterday, and we had no idea that that was happening yesterday. So today nothing is happening. Tomorrow there's a little meet and greet, which maybe we'll just check it out. Maybe we'll meet and greet some people there. We don't know what to do here. We don't know how to meet people. It's weird and awkward. Also, I feel like 90% of people here are 65 and over.
The best friends we've made so far are 65 and over.
That's true. It just has to come at you, like in a bar or somewhere in a gathering. We're not gonna walk up to someone's campsite just like that. I don't know. That's it for now. We're gonna have chicken soup. See you tomorrow in Quartzsite. Cute. Sun's coming in real hot from that side.
It's hot today.
It is, but it's nice. We had our first like full day in Quartzsite without like having to do errands and trying to find internet and stuff. Should I drop you off here?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. But first, like, we went to like a couple gem shops, and then we went to the bingo thing. It's the Chamber of Commerce, where I got a free piece of cake. That was nice. Went to the van to have sandwiches, and then we drove to the whole like vendor tent area, which was very interesting. I mean,
it's like a giant flea market.
Well, it looks like one. Yeah, definitely my highlight of the day was the grocery it was basically like a grocery outlet, but a little,
but like under a tent.
Yeah, it's like an outdoor grocery store. A lot of expired things, but also a lot of not expired things. And super cheap. The cashiering process was hilarious. This lady just started taking things like 2, 4, 9.
She added
8,
everything up.
Just in her head.
Everything in the store was either landed on $1 or $1.50.
Yeah. So it makes it easy. Yeah, and then we went to Santa's workshop.
It was exactly how I imagined it.
Yeah. A lot of old folks doing little crafty things. I mean, really pretty things, and like, you know, and then like jewelry and
lots of really nice things that we would never buy. And
now we're back at our campsite for the night, from last night. I mean, it's pretty, it's perfect. It's like a 5-minute walk to the park. There's restrooms, flushing. There is no toilet paper, but that's great. We have like 8 rolls of toilet paper, way too much. It is nice and warm, and I wanna finally take another solar shower. Now is the perfect time. We still have like an hour of sunlight. Tomorrow I'm gonna attempt to henna my hair, like out here, because henna is natural, so that's fine. I can wash it away.
And all the showers in town are like super expensive,
$10 to $14. Busy. That's why we have the solar shower for. If it's nice and warm, and then all the other options are just like. The plan is to put these puppies in the front and get a little bit more gravity feeding.
Looks black.
Put your finger in there.
Yeah, right. Looks clear. Smells like nothing.
Good. Nothing.
Wait.
Ooh, trickle. Okay. Time for a shower. Why is it not warm?
It's not like it's cold last time we did it, is it?
Last time the temperature around us was cold. And henna tomorrow is gonna be a challenge. That's it. Works well. Still a little fresh, but that's okay.
Look, it's a remote-controlled airplane.
I know. You haven't seen them?
No.
Good shot. Shower was a success. I think I'm gonna do a little food haul with you right now. I want to show you what we all got. Pizza crust, boboli. Never had any of these. Today we wanted to make tortilla pizzas, which is basically just a tortilla with pizza sauce and stuff. And we found this and so like, this might be a little bit better. $2. Coffee for Kevin. No price. Lindt chocolate, $1.50. Still good till May. This was a bit of a gamble. It did expire in September 28th, but you know, like fancy natural protein bar, $3. Gotta have some more German chocolate, $1.50. Still good to February. Mixed nuts for Kevin, $2.50. March 23. We're gonna be in Mexico really soon, but I couldn't say no to this. An horchata mix for $1.50. More nuts, more chocolate. We needed some cumin. We needed some chicken stock, some nice juice. Granola, $2. Pasta arrabbiata sauce. Ginger beer for Kev. More peanut butter because our peanut butter is almost empty. Oh wait, I didn't look at the ingredients. Ah, damn it, it has palm oil. Ah, this is pretty fancy. This is a German brand. All these fancy bars for $1. Kool-Aid packets. I think this is like the German Kool-Aid version. This is fine. It's fine. Just forget about it. Sorry, Apple. I'll eat you soon. Done.
Yum.
Is it so good?
No.
Aw, why?
It's better than a tortilla though.
Yeah, what's wrong with the crust? Or is it everything on top? Or is it just everything?
Literally everything.
Aw, come on.
Everything is mediocre.
We're still in our little camp spot, and I figured today is a good day to do henna. I've done it before, twice, but I've never just done the roots. I don't know if you can see it. It's like blonde and then it's like slightly orange. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm terrible at applying henna. I don't have a brush. I have nothing really. Just fingers and gloves. Yeah. I pre-mixed everything yesterday. I watched a couple videos how people are doing it. There's so many variations. It's very clumpy. I'm scared. This is the only little mirror that I have outside here. And it's windy. That's fun too. I saw one lady apply it with the spoon. God. It has been, oh, fuck. It's a good start. I know what. I think she did like this and kind of like parted it and then, yeah, something like that. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, I have to do this quick because it's not supposed to like dry on you. Oh my god. Shit. It just has to be under somehow, I guess. Oh my god. Not in too deep. I don't know. If there's something left, I'm just gonna use it all. I just hope we have enough water to wash it all out. Oh god. Is that a cool look? How do I proceed? Is that really necessary now? Oh, fuck. No, I need 2 gloves. I can't have 1 glove. Oh. Shit. This is so stressful. I'm already drying up. Shit. Let's do this quick. These are doing something that she shouldn't be doing. I'm just gonna do it. it like this. This is cute. I did not get everything. You probably see what I didn't get. I'm gonna try to get more. Hi, Kevin. I don't know what I'm doing. Can you help me?
Help.
I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do everything now. I mean, I have enough, I think, and I don't know. This is too hard, and I don't see what I'm doing. This might be the biggest problem. Do you see blonde areas?
No.
I'm gonna
it's like
leave
you're
it.
spreading diarrhea all over.
Yeah, but like the worst kind. Yeah, now everything is happening here. What about like this whole area?
Yeah, you got it.
I got it all.
Got it all.
I'm trying to like force it all in. Now you put some stuff on top. I'm so nervous. The most beautiful cap of all. I have to clean my neck.
It's too crusty.
It's a little clump. I'm just too scared that like it's blotchy at the end. I just didn't do a good job, especially at the end. Maybe the first 15 seconds were okay. It is time. I'll maybe try to like get it with the poop bucket. And then maybe I can reuse the water if I don't have enough. This is round one. Can you spread it? No. It's all natural, so it's good. It's just herbs. Let's continue. The water's getting clearer. Definitely have some weird spots here, which sucks. Final rinse. Let's call it good. I mean, not good, but let's call it done. Golden hour. I don't know if that's a fair reveal with that light, but that's how it looks.